Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Drawing Master series. Today, we move beyond straight lines to master the fluidity of circles and the complexity of polygons. Exercise 1. The perfect circle. The key is a steady pivot. Unlike squares, circles require a single, continuous motion to maintain symmetry. Tip: focus on a smooth, unbroken line and trust your arm's natural rotation. Exercise 2. Ellipses and ovals. These are essential for drawing objects in perspective, like the top of a glass or the wheel of a car. Keep your curves smooth and balanced. Tip: practice both horizontal and vertical ellipses to understand shape distortion. Exercise 3. The pentagon. Polygons help us understand how to divide space equally. Connect 5 points with precision to create this strong geometric form. Tip: visualize 5 equal points on an imaginary circle before connecting them. Excellent work! Mastering these curved and multi-sided forms is a huge step in your artistic journey. Practice daily, and subscribe for more international drawing lessons.